It's Jordo outdoors. We're going to make Jamaican beef patties with my brother, Shakespaere. And now let's get started. We pre-measured the flour to 2 cups in this mixing bowl.
It's a third of a cup of water, a half a cup of shortening.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Actually gonna season this dough because with Jamaican food, we salt in our food.
Most stuff you just play by ear. So you just want a lot of turmeric in there. You want to put some curry in there. Probably the same amount of curry that you put turmeric. And then allspice, it's used in all Jamaican food.
Garlic and onion powder don't have salt in it, right?
No. Yeah, and then you definitely want some salt in there, but you don't want to go overboard with the salt. Otherwise, it's going in the garbage. Tastes like your sister did it. JC, I'm adding you.
That's a good one.
And then you don't really use the pepper. I just brought that out for the aesthetics. So, yeah, and then we'll bring it over to the KitchenAid. From here, you'll just see if it's too doughy or if it's not doughy enough, then you'll add water, you'll add flour. So if you look at this, it's starting to grab, turn into more of a ball.
Nice bright yellow color, and you can really smell the spices pop out in this dough, even though it's not much. But
this looks like it's good to go. I'll show you guys the dough. So this is good that it's not too thin. It's not gonna break. You see it flaking a little bit. But yeah, so that's great. Gonna wrap this up, put it in the fridge, and wait. Yeah, so you want to saturate the bottom of the pot. We're gonna put some
high quality Brillum's beef, freshly wrapped and ground from today.
So the most important part of your filling, besides the ground beef, is your breadcrumbs and your chicken broth.
Because if you're not gonna put breadcrumbs and chicken broth in it, might as well just call it a meat pocket.
Just chuck that in there. And now we're gonna brown this beef. So from here, you can just turn the heat down. It's there's still some pink to it, but turn the heat down. We're just gonna start seasoning it. We start out by using our onion and our garlic powder because we already added our fresh onion and garlic in here. And so after the meat browns completely, then we're gonna start tasting it, and then that's when we're gonna start adding the real flavor.
That's for all you hunters out there. Let's get it.
Hunting is life.
I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I got my camo. I got my gun. I got my camo. I got my pound. I got my reel. I got my rod. I got my rod. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Hop in my truck, back to have fun. Park in the field, deer better run. Deer better run, 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 run. Whack, whack.
Jordo outdoors, hunting's life. 2019 got me a dragon. I'm gonna cook it, eat it, put some gravy on it. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it.
Thai beats. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I like to fish. I got my camo, I got my gun. I got my camo, I got my pound. I got my reel, I got my rod. I got my reel, I got my rod. Hop in my truck, back to have fun.
Smells like Jamaica. Look at that patty, nice feeling, and flaky crust. Not too flaky, but the nice flakiness that you need.
How flaky is it? I think the baking soda helps a lot.
Heck yeah. I'm gonna take a second and tell you what this patty tastes like. So, at first when I heard this idea that we're gonna film us making patties,
It was your idea.
I was like, man, this is gonna be a little different. Never done it before. And now I take a bite of this, I'm like, man, this is all worth it. We can be rich. Just like this patty. It's rich with flavor. That nice crispy crunch that isn't there, but it has a flakiness that is there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Because this is 3/4.
Yeah, do like, I don't know, half of that.
Half of this?
Yeah.
Well, like. But Jared is actually going to, no pun intended, sweet.
Jeez,